This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion pages. Notion pages are your fundamental building blocks, acting as versatile digital canvases. They are the core of your workspace, allowing you to organize notes, documents, and projects efficiently. You can combine text, images, databases, and many other elements to create a customized space. To begin, simply click the plus button in your sidebar to add a new page. Creating and structuring your pages is straightforward. You can start a new page by clicking Add a Page in the sidebar or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-N or Command-N. To keep things tidy, organize your content by nesting pages, creating sub-pages within others. Notion offers many templates to jumpstart your work, from simple lists to complex tables. Remember to give each page a clear title, and consider adding an icon for quick visual recognition. Notion pages are constructed using modular blocks, which are the basic units of content. To add any type of block, simply type the / key, which will bring up a menu of options. You can easily add text, images, to-do lists, various headings, and even embed media. For a more dynamic layout, you can customize your page by dragging and dropping blocks to create multiple columns, enhancing visual organization and flow. Notion excels in collaboration and customization. You can share any page by inviting specific people via email or by generating a public web link. When sharing, you have precise control over permissions, allowing others to view, comment, or edit. Personalize your pages by choosing from 3 font styles, various colors, and a full-width layout option. For structured information, embed powerful databases directly into your pages to manage tasks, projects, or any data you need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.